Hey guys, so a YouTube subscribers requested I respond to this, so I figured I will.
I know how many cases there's going to be tomorrow. No need for an update, Gladys. Given that there's 30 infectious cases in the community, plus how contagious the Delta strain is, you also have to factor in the circumference of southwest Sydney, plus the amount of households in Fairfield with 11 children. I can conclude there'll be 97 cases tomorrow. Stitch this when I'm right.
To 8 p.m. last night, New South Wales recorded 97 cases of community transmission.
Number of new cases in Sydney. Gladys, I've got you again. If we just carry the one here, there's 28 infectious cases in the community, plus the diameter of Fairfield, divided by the population of Sydney. If we just connect this here, there'll be 65 new cases tomorrow. You can follow me when I'm right.
Now, in the last 24 hours, New South Wales recorded 65 cases of community transmission.
Okay.
97. There'll be 97 new cases tomorrow. Stitches, if I'm right, catch me on 10 News in the morning.
New South Wales, to 8 p.m. last night, had 97 cases of community transmission.
There's a gentleman on TikTok who, for the past 3 days, has released the information about the case numbers before you have. Are you concerned there's a compromise within New South Wales Health?
Oh, look, all we can do is focus on the job at hand. And I know at the moment a lot of people have or alleged to have various bits of information or bits of advice, and that's welcome. We're in a democracy. But what's important for us as a team, as Team New South Wales, is to focus on what's necessary, and that is to lead our state during its most challenging of times. And I can't stress that enough. But I'm also really proud of the way the community has come together to work on this.
Interesting. So first of all, like, I am in my pajamas, so, like, if I look so cozy, that's why. But, I don't believe it, if that makes sense. Like, I think that, the problem with doing a mathematical equation like this is there's too many variables. Because with variables, like, okay, so this is he's basing it off numbers, right? But then you've got the variable of free will and what people are going to do with that, and different personality types and all of this kind of stuff. Certain people are more likely to be non-believers in terms of COVID, certain people are more likely to be believers. And then, yeah, I think that what is more likely going on is there's more likely somebody leaking the information to him. That's what I like, my gut says. I think that somebody would be leaking this information to him because there is no way that you could accurately get it. If his numbers were close but not consistently the same, I'd be like, yeah, like, sure, it's a maths equation. But the fact that his numbers have been accurate each time is either very lucky or completely falsified due to having some form of knowledge of a leakage. So I guess that's all I can say on that matter. I hope you guys are interested in this. So yeah, if you guys have anything that you want me to look at or react to, feel free to pop it down below and I will be willing to check it out. So